is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your gallery on your Google Pixel phone. So if you can't find it for whatever reason, we can just swipe up from the bottom here and we can just type in gallery. So you can see I have gallery on the top right here, and then it's open up my gallery. If you can just do this, hold down on it and then just drag it to your desktop here somewhere. Otherwise, if we swipe up and we just type in photos, we can go to Google Photos. This might not be the same thing, but you can see all your different pictures, your collections in here. Otherwise, swipe up from the bottom and we can just type in files. If we go to files, this will show us our images, our videos under here as well. So we can just hit videos and you can see all these videos. I need to go ahead and just delete because I just do videos all the time. Now another thing that you can do is go on over to the Google Play Store. So let's do that now. Go to the Google Play Store. If you can't find a gallery application, you can just go to search and type in gallery. And you should be able to download Google Gallery. That's probably the best one without any ads. So if you look through here, just get the ones with a high rating, 4.7. So that one's good. Usually I just go with the Google Gallery right here, this one, Google LLC. And just open this one up. This is the one I have. So this one might come on your phone, but it might not. If you have like Samsung, I know it doesn't. So I just dragged it to my home screen. Now one other thing that you can do is if you go to your photo option, you can see your gallery down here in the bottom. You can just tap it. And if you want to see your entire gallery, go to this option up here. And it should bring you to your gallery. It looks like it might have Google Photos open. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.